no basic zone.
What's good, Stushy, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I DIY'd my Alex 9 Ikea storage unit, or my storage drawer. I added these really cute knobs to them, so I'm going to show you guys how I got that done today. If you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell. Let's dive right into it. So this DIY only required a few items. You're going to need a hand drill, you're going to need measuring tape, some knobs. I'll find some knobs for you guys. I purchased mine at Home Depot, as I mentioned, but I know I could find some cute ones on Amazon for you guys, so check my Amazon link down below. And you're also going to need a pencil to make your measurements. I chose a pencil because it's easy to erase the marks compared to like a marker or a pen. Now I'm going to measure each drawer horizontally and mark it in the middle. So for this drawer, it measured up to I believe 12 inches, and then I marked it at 6 inches. That would have been the middle. The measurements for the small drawers were pretty much exactly the same, but for the bigger drawers that you guys will see in a minute, those were a little bit deeper. So the vertical measurement for the bigger drawers are going to be a little bit different, just because of the simple fact that they are a lot deeper than the smaller drawers. So be sure to measure each and every drawer anyway, because you do have to make sure you find a middle for each and every single drawer to ensure that the knobs line up perfectly. So yeah, that's what you guys see me doing. I'm measuring it horizontally, then I'm going to measure it vertically as well to ensure that I find the middle. And that's actually where our knob is going to be inserted, or that's actually where we're going to drill a hole for the knob. This project honestly was a spur of the moment thing, very, very random. My mom and I are actually DIYing our kitchen. We're like changing out the cabinets or repainting the cabinet. So over the weekend we went to Home Depot, and for some reason we were just looking for knobs for our new kitchen, or for our DIY kitchen, and I saw these knobs and I'm like, oh my god, this would look really cute on my Alex 9. So here we are now with this video, and this was done literally at like 11 o'clock in the night. Enjoy this as I measure each and every drawer, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I brought you guys down just a little bit, and I also zoomed you guys in just a little bit so you guys can see how I do the bottom portion, or the wider drawers. And exactly the same as before, just the only thing is the vertical measurement is going to be a little bit different, because these drawers are a lot deeper than the smaller drawers up top. And yes, I can feel you guys judging me right now. I do have stuff stuffed in the corner. Those are some of my female stuff. I like to just store them away and honestly not even look at them. I know you guys are the same, so don't judge me. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase the very first dot. That very first dot was the horizontal measurement, but what we need is the vertical measurement. The vertical measurement is going to line up with the horizontal measurement. I know it's probably not really like making much sense, but if you do it on your own, you'll understand it a lot better. You don't need two dots there. You just need the one dot where the drill is going to go through, and that will be the vertical measurement, because it lined up with the horizontal measurement, which shows us where the middle of the drawer is. Hopefully that makes sense, but trust me, once you do it by yourself, it'll make a lot more sense. You don't need an Alex 9 to do this project. You can do this on your regular dresser. You can change the knobs out on pretty much anything if you want to. Feel free to play around, feel free to get creative and change some things around in your room. This is the time to get creative and start DIYing stuff, so have at it. Now I'm actually going to use my tape measure, and I'm going to measure from the very top of the Ikea storage all the way down to the bottom. I just want to make sure that those dots that I marked on every single drawer line up, because as I mentioned before, that's where we're actually going to drill our holes in, and we want to make sure that the knobs line up when everything is all said and done. So that is a big key. That is the best tip that I can give you guys, is to make sure that your dots or your marks line up. Now it's time for us to start drilling some holes into the actual drawers, each and every single drawer. I'm actually going to start taking some stuff out of the drawer. I was very lazy. As I mentioned, this was done at 11 o'clock in the night. Your girl did not have time to take every single thing out of the drawer. So I'll show you guys a little hack that I did. But pro tip would be to take everything out of the drawers. And as you guys can see, I also changed my shirt. I actually took a shower because, as I mentioned, we were DIYing our kitchen. So I finished painting. I just wanted to get out of the clothes that I had on prior. So I did go ahead and jump in the shower. And I had my mom drill the holes for me just because we literally just bought that drill the same day we bought the drill at Home Depot. So she wasn't really sure how to work it, and I definitely didn't really know how to work it, so I'd rather her figure it out than me mess up the drawers. As you guys saw, I used the bag to try to catch some of the wood that fell out when we put the drill in or when we drilled that hole. Now I'm going to use a mini hand vacuum just to suck out all that extra dust that fell into the drawer. But again, pro hack, take everything out of that drawer so that you don't have to like worry about getting dust all over the things that you have inside of the drawer. Then I'm going to actually start screwing in the screw in the back, and then you'll see me put the knob in on the front. Repeat the steps on all the other drawers, and I'm also going to switch the angle up just a little bit so you guys can get a little bit closer to see what I'm actually doing. And I also went in with the Clorox wipe to wipe down each and every drawer after applying the knobs on, just to get rid of those eraser marks and just get rid of the pencil marks. Now I told y'all we just got that drill, and as I mentioned, we didn't really know what we were doing, but nonetheless we executed this project. So don't judge, okay? Now I got these drawer liners from Marshall's, but because of Miss Rona, we cannot go to Marshall's. So if I find something on Amazon, I'll leave it down below in my Amazon shop. So be sure to check the description box if you're looking for some of these things that you guys see in the video. Okay? Okay. As you guys can see, I'm just cleaning out the top drawer once again with my mini vacuum. I didn't even know we had this in the house. And in a second, I'm going to show you guys what my Ikea drawer looks like now that I've added the knobs. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Don't head out without giving me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if this has inspired you to, do some DIY around your house. And also be sure to subscribe and ring that bell if you are new. I would love to see you here again on my channel. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.